Hi friends, I'm Saitik here. Welcome back to my channel Saitik. In this video, I'll be doing the Game Turbo in-depth review of the Poco X3 device. As you can clearly see right now, I'm using the Poco X3 smartphone, and in this video, I'll be covering all the features related to the Game Turbo, which is a 3.0 or 3.0 version in the Poco X3 device, as you can clearly see. So this was a question recently asked by so many users that try to do the in-depth features explaining about the Game Turbo, what are the things it got updated in the Poco X3 device. So what I got is here the Redmi K20 Pro device as well sideways. So I'll try to compare a few of the features which is not present in the Redmi K20 Pro, but it was present in the Poco X3 device because it is the latest Game Turbo features installed in the Poco X3 device out of the box. So let's get started with that Game Turbo mode here. So to access the Game Turbo, you need to go to the security application here. And if you want to know what live wallpapers I'm using currently in all of my smartphones, so try to check the links in description for more details about that one as well. And in case if you want to know more details about the Poco X3 battery performance and everything, so try to check my recently uploaded videos on the Poco X3's battery draining as well. So that will help you a lot in terms of deciding whether to buy the Poco X3 phone or not. In the security app, you can find the Game Turbo option if you scroll down to the bottom, as you can see here. So just tap on that one. So you will be taken into the Game Turbo mode here. As you can see, complete interface. How does it look here? So this is the same kind of interface which is present in the other previous version. So here I got the Game Turbo of the Redmi K20 Pro as well. So this is a kind of same Game Turbo. Both are having same kind of interface and everything design. So let me go to the ad as well in both the phones. So same kind of interface you will get here in the ad as well. Let me go to the settings. So same options you are having in both phones in terms of the options selecting. So even in the advanced settings of both the phones, they're having the same kind of option. So where you can actually enhance the colors, as you can see. So which is present in the Redmi K20 Pro as well. So in the application in the Game Turbo, everything is same. So there is nothing change at all here. So right now let me try to play one of the game and let me try to compare side by side. So now try to observe on the top area, friends, because this is where all the hidden features got installed on the top here notification panel. So let me try to zoom in to make you clearly explain each and every feature here. So first thing is that you do get this kind of options here directly. You can tap here to screen record, or you can use any other application in the small floating window as well, as you can see. So whenever you tap the browser, you'll get this kind of small floating windows. That's a good thing. So right now I did not install any WhatsApp or Facebook, so you cannot open those. You can even open the Play Store as well, Play Store and Google Chrome. Almost all the applications from your phone which you install, you can open in the floating window. So that is the first use case in this kind of in the Game Turbo. So this is a very good thing. So same kind of feature also present in the previous generation as well. So there is nothing much difference. So same it is present even in the Redmi K20 Pro, where you can add the applications in the floating window. But one thing is that there is a difference where there is a voice changer has been installed in this new Game Turbo mode. So by using this voice changer, you can use different voices as well while playing the games. So that is one additional advantage which are having this new Game Turbo here. So which is not present in the previous Game Turbo options. So as you can see, friends, this is the Game Turbo of the Redmi K20 Pro, and you can see the clear difference. There is no option for the voice changer here. So one more thing is that, so second important hidden tips and tricks is that voice changing. So first is that you can use the floating window. That is one of the first trick you can use, and next is you can use the voice changer. That is the second trick you can use, and third is increasing the colors. As you can see, you can manually increase the saturation mode, and you can enhance the visual colors. So that is another fourth important trick you got in this Poco X3 device. So that's a good advantage, third, I think. So remaining as well, so there is other options where you can use to cache the screen if you want. And next is to turn off the phone as well. Even when you're playing the games, if you want to turn off the screen for some time, you can do with this kind of option, which we may not be doing while playing the games, but at least you got this kind of option here, as you can see, friends, here clearly. So these are the few hidden tips and tricks which you can try while playing the PUBG game. The most important of everything is two things. First is that voice changer, that is the most important thing. Next is that visual enhancement mode. So if you don't know what is a visual enhancement mode and what is the usefulness of that one, so try to watch my videos which I have already explained clearly, in-depth review on this visual enhancement mode, so that you will get a clear idea. So this is overall a quick review on this Game Turbo mode which is present in the POCO X3 device. And for more videos on the POCO X3, make sure to follow me regularly and check the links in description as well for the playlist of the POCO X3. And that's it for this video, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.